Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a spicy mutton liver roast recipe. This is a very simple recipe. Trust me, it will hardly take around 10 to 15 minutes. We are going to add all the masalas in the oil and then add liver and dry roast it. It's a very yummy recipe. You can serve this along with white rice, rasam or even with biryani. Come on, let's get started. To prepare mutton liver stir fry, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of groundnut oil to a cast iron kadai. And now to this I am going to add 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. And now to this I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it for 10 seconds. And now turn the flame to low. And we are going to add all the masalas in the oil. So adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala and 2 teaspoons of mutton masala. Mix it well. Ensure that the masalas doesn't burn. To this I am going to add 300 grams of mutton liver pieces which I have cut into small bite-sized pieces and give it a nice mix. Adding salt as required. Mix it well, cover and cook this for 5 minutes on medium flame. After 5 minutes, give it a nice mix. We need not add water, just sprinkle a little water if required. Now after giving it a nice mix, cover it again and let this cook for 5 more minutes. It's been 5 more minutes. Let's mix it again. And now we'll have to cook this uncovered for 5 to 7 minutes. Stir it in between, it shouldn't burn. Now this is almost ready. I'm going to add a handful of curry leaves and finely chopped fresh coriander leaves. Now let's cook this on high flame. Stir it continuously so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And now this is ready. Let's turn off the flame and serve. It was so simple, right? So I hope you'll all give this a try. Please do try and let me know how it turned out for you guys in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting recipe or another interesting video. Until then, take care. Bye.